My name is Abhijit Dhamale. I am leading the cable accessories engineering and design. I am here in this industry from last 21 years, the transmission and distribution industry, out of which more than 18 years associated with Raychem RPG.
What is the one engineering feature that makes Raychem RPG's EHV cable accessories reliable for decades without maintenance?
See, reliability isn't something we can add later. So it's built into the product design from day one. So single engineering feature that can be described to associate with 30 years lifespan. Okay, so there are hundreds of design parameters, hundreds of process parameters that we need to control. In Raychem RPG, in design of EHVCA product, we have used design for Six Sigma product development methodology. We have used numerous multi-physics simulation techniques and the product validations, and the combination of all these we can say it can predict the lifespan of 30 years for our EHV products.
Apart from standard tests, what extra testing does Raychem RPG do to ensure long-term safety and performance?
So IEC tests are very basic tests, so we push our products beyond that. So in EHVCA, our connectors are type tested for short circuit tests, which IEC doesn't call for. Our all earthing connection are tested for elevated current and extended type testing, which IEC doesn't call. In our routine testing, we test the partial discharge test at high voltage, which also IEC doesn't call. So all these are the testings, and there are many more testing, so which IEC doesn't call, but we are doing it.
What design feature helps the product perform reliably even under extreme temperature changes?
See, managing heat is very critical in the product design. So we have engineered it in every layer of our product design. So our connector material, the material used for the stress cone, joint body and the outer protection layer. So we have chosen in such a way that this thermal conductivity is in the optimal range and that can give us a good thermal properties.